Hello guys, so today I want to introduce my team members. The first one, me. My name is Muhammad Maksamina bin Muhammad Shah. My metric number 23DBS 24F 2024.
Hi, my name is Abilash Menon, anak lelaki Siva Kumara Menon. My metric number is 23DBS 24F 2026.
Hi, my name is Nur Akidah Nazia binti Muhammad Harun and my metric number is 23DBS 24F 2042. So my name is Nur Aini binti Muhammad Hanif. My metric number is 23DBS 24F 2006.
So what is MIA? MIA is statutory body established under the Accountant Act 1967 to regulate and develop the accounting profession in Malaysia. Its key functions include: so the first one is licensing and registration. Register and license qualified accountant as chartered accountant in Malaysia. Maintain the register of accountant, ensure body illegal individual practical as accountant. So the second one is ethic and escape line, enforced by MIA by laws on professional ethic, conduct and practice. Investigation, misconduct and import disciplinary action, finance, suspension, direction. Last one is continuing professional development. Mandate CPD recruitment for members to ensure they stay updated with industry development.
Malaysian Accounting Standard Boards, or in short is MASB. What is MASB? MASB was established under the Financial Reporting Act in 1997. Its main role is to develop and issue financial reporting standards for Malaysian companies. For larger companies, MASB issues the Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard, or MFRS, which are fully aligned with International Financial Reporting Standard (IFRS). For small and medium-sized entities, MASB introduced the Malaysian Private Entities Reporting Standard, or MPERS, which is more suitable and simplified to meet their needs. Additional function of MASB. Besides issuing standard, MASB also provide implementation guidance on complex accounting issues. They also release interpretations to clarify how standards should be applied in practice. MASB work closely with regulators like the Securities Commissions and Bursa Malaysia to monitor and ensure compliance with accounting standards. In the public sector, MASB collaborates with the Accounting General's Department to support the development of MPSAS, the Malaysian Public Sector Accounting Standards. Historical cost concept. The historical cost concept means that assets and liabilities are recorded based on their original purchase cost, not their current market value. For example, if a company purchased a building in 2010 for 500,000, that building will still be recorded at 500,000 in the financial statements, even if today values is 1 million. This principle ensures reliability and objectivity, but the downside is that it may not reflect the true current value of the assets, which can be important for decision making.
What is prudential? Prudential is accountant should not overstate income or asset and not understate expenses or liabilities. When in doubt, they should choose the option that is least likely to overstate profit. Key point: anticipate losses but not gains. For example, if a company expects a no sweet loss, it should record a provision, but it should not record potential future gains not until realized. Purpose: prevent over-optimistic financial reporting.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the consistency. So consistency means that companies will use the same accounting methods from one period to the next unless there's a valid reason to make a change. So the consistency is very important because it ensures that financial statements are comparable over time. This makes it easier for investors, auditors and stakeholders to understand company performance and spot trends. The example is, if a company starts off using straight line methods for depreciation, it should keep using it year after year unless there's a strong reason to switch, like adopting the reducing balance method for better accuracy. So the changes are allowed, but only if they are required by new accounting. Okay, so now I want to talk about matching concept. So matching means that expenses should be recorded in the same accounting period as revenues they had to generate. So the matching is very important because it helps to ensure accurate profit measurement. Without it, profits could be overstated or understated, giving a false picture of a company's financial health. So, the example, imagine a company pays 10,000 ringgit for advertising in December, but the sales from that campaign don't happen until January. Under the matching principle, that advertising expense should be recorded in January, the same period the revenue is earned. So, this principle is a key part of accurate accounting, which is more accurate than cash accounting when tracking financial performance over time.
What is actual concept? Actual concept is transaction should be recorded when they occur, not when cash or received. Key point: revenue is recognized when earned. Expenses are recognized when incurred. For example, a company records sale on credit as revenue even if cash is received later. Contract with cash accounting. Cash accounting records transaction only when cash changes hands.
Alright, this is our situation. ABC Sedia Berhad issue an invoice to XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad on 15 March 2034 for office chair and meeting tables totaling RM2,500 with payment terms of 30 days. Later, ABC issued a debit note for an additional RM200 due to a late delivery penalty. XYZ Trading made a partial payment of RM1,200 via bank transfer reflected in the payment voucher and check counterfoil on 30 March 2034. Still, this payment was incorrectly delivered for cleaning services instead of the invoice. And official receipt acknowledged the total amount of RM2,500 but lacked clarity on the partial payment. Alright, this is invoice from ABC Sedia Berhad to XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad. The address is number 123 Jalan Merdeka 15,000 Kuala Lumpur. The number invoice is IMV 2024-001. The date is 15 March 2034. The next one is description: office chair and meeting tables. Quantity of office chair is 10, unit per price is RM150, amount total is RM1,500. Next one. This is official receipt from ABC Sedia Berhad to XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad. The address is number 123 Jalan Merdeka 15,000 Kuala Lumpur. Number official receipt is OR 2024-005. Date is 20 March 2024. Description is office chair and meeting table. Quantity for office chair is 10, unit per price is RM150 and amount is RM1,500. Quantity for meeting tables is 2, unit per price is RM500, amount is RM1,000. Total for 2 items is RM2,500. Payment via bank transfer authorized by Ali bin Ahmad Finance Manager. This is debit note from ABC Sedia Berhad to XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad. The address is number 123 Jalan Merdeka 15,000 Kuala Lumpur. The number for debit note is DN2024003. Date is 25 March 2024. Reason is additional charge due to late delivery penalty, and description is late delivery penalty. Amount is RM200. The total of that is RM200. Alright, that's the next one is prepared by Qasim bin Isnin, Director Finance Manager. The next one is payment voucher from ABC Sedia Berhad to XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad. Number address is 123 Jalan Merdeka 50,000 Kuala Lumpur. Number payment voucher is EB 2024-010. Date is 30 March 2024. Amount is RM1,200 only. Ringgit Malaysia is RM1,200. Payment voucher for invoice 2034-001. Authorized by City Building Operation Manager. The last one is check counterfoil from ABC Sedia Berhad. Date 30 March 2024. Number is at 76543. Payee XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad. Amount is RM1,200. Proposed cleaning services account debited to Maybank 12345678890. This is journal. Have a 3 journal. Is number 1 purchase journal. They have a date, supplier, invoice number, folio and amount. For date 2034 March 15, supplier XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad. Invoice number INV 2024-001. Folio is nothing. Amount is RM2,500. The next one is general journal. Date 2034 March 25. Supplier is purchase. Late delivery penalty. Debit RM200. The last one is cash book. At the credit date 2024 March 25. Particulars. Payment to XYZ Trading Sedia Berhad. At bank RM1,200.